School. I'm here to do the presentation for my assignment 1, the 5 A's. My name is Jessica and I'm here with my group member Ashnitra. Introduction. Fiji Island is renowned for its deep natural scenery and not surprising to find only beaches for visitors traveling to Fiji Island. Those that can afford to take downhill hammocks can even find a few unique and interesting cultural attractions, while there are plenty of beautiful beaches and not fewer than 333 islands to enjoy. The local Fijians and the Indo-Fijian Society are all part of many of Fiji's best things that don't lie on the sand. It is important to spend time exploring the old sites on Viti Levu's main island, or to explore volcanic plains, lush jungles and ancient settlements, or to get a glimpse of island life. This shows the statistics, tourism arrival trends predictions from 2019 till 2020. Moving on, accessibility. They include many available modes of transport, include airplanes, ships and cruises, hover vehicles, road cars and coach. For Fiji, airline service provided by Fiji are the important forms of transport to and from the country. Travel is the main mode of transport for passengers and that are visitors to real tourist destinations. Transport investment is important because it enables visitors to access our shores. This diagram shows transport service by bus, travel by train, and travel by cruise liner, and the last one is travel by airplane. Fiji accommodation, a first-class tourist destination, cannot expect a viable industry if it is inaccessible, and the same is true for excellent transport and access but for poor accommodation. Fiji is renowned for providing accommodation services throughout the country by resorts and hotels. Hospitality refers to the stay of any hotel or resort which tourists make. Some of them are hotels in the town center, resort, guest house apartments, as well as additional accommodation which are private and are available for rent by tourists. This picture depicts Sofitel Fiji Resort and Spa, and this picture also illustrates Outrigger Fiji Beach Resort, and this picture shows Club Fiji Resort. This shows Intercontinental Fiji Golf Resort and Spa. Moving on, attractions in Fiji. This suggests that the visitors would go to attractions like beaches or festivals, tribal pyramid, the nature reservation or athletic activities in order to purchase the tourist items first. The most significant draw of all is our maritime beach and special climate, including some our indigenous villages such as Navala Village, Sambeto Sleeping Giant Gardens, the Tabuni Tiny Modia flower, and our beaches. Because tourist attractions are brought to our shores, investment in the treatment of these attractions are significant. This diagram shows Bengal Lagoon Shark Dive, which is from Viti Levu. And from now, Ashnit will present.
This is a picture showing Pacific Harbour Viti Levu. This is famous for surfing, jet skiing, ziplining, four-wheel drive adventures, and heart-pumping dive with sharks. Next, this is the Nawa River. This is famous for waterfall, canoes, bilimbili, and whitewater rapids. Moving on, Great Astrolabe Reef, which is located in Kandavu. It is the fourth largest barrier reef in the world, tunnels, soft corals, and tropical fish. Sawa Ilau Caves, Yasawa Island. This is famous for sites of scenes from the famous Brooke Shields movie and interesting limestone formations. Moving on, this is the picture of Singatoka Sand Dunes National Park. This is located in Viti Levu. This is famous for bird watching. Kula Wild Adventure Park. This is famous for exhibiting tropical plants, snakes, lizards, colorful soft coral, and sea turtles. This is the picture of Fiji Museum, Viti Levu. It is a small museum with maritime exhibits, British colonial history, and Fiji's national history. This is the picture of Sri Siva Subramania Temple, Nandi. This temple has impressive architecture and draws a steady stream of devotees. Activities in Fiji. These activities provide additional revenue when visitors pay more money to experience activity which in their own country would cost less, such as horseback riding. Obviously, Fiji has a broad variety of activities for visitors to enjoy, even though it's a tiny island country. It is also important to enjoy the events so that more visitors come and engage in this particular activity with a strong word of mouth. Tourist experiences include skydiving, trekking to the trees, snorkeling in our lovely coral reefs. This is a picture for shark diving experience such as bull shark, grey, white, black tip sharks, and even the occasional tiger shark up close. Tifua Island full day capital Cook cruises. This is for relaxing on stunning white sandy beach, snorkel on the reef, and see dolphins playing. Full day Fiji Culture Day Tour has awesome Fijian entertainment, island style logo lunch, a Fijian cooking class, or snorkeling. This Hart Island in Nandi, known as one of the world's surfing destinations, home to the world renowned cloud breaks. Fijian Nature and Waterfall Tour. It is a bush where there is waterfall. It is also known as Doloi Suva Nature Reserve. Half-day city sightseeing tour. Tour to the capital of Fiji Island, mostly landmarks, and shop in local markets. Amenities. Amenities are facilities for visitors, namely the tourists, which include accommodation, restaurant, entertainment events, and shopping outlets. Building more amenities will enable a tourism destination such as Nadi to cater more tourists in its restaurants, accommodation facilities, shopping outlets, and entertainment sites. Moving on, some of the amenities found in a room. These are some of the amenities found in a room, such as the coffee maker and other examples. SWOT analysis, strengths. Good tourism company strengths that are beneficial in achieving the goal includes revenues, environmental assets, natural heritage, resilient and efficient advantages in the tourism industry. Weaknesses. Tourism has various negative aspects which are adverse to achieving the goals, and these include insufficient workers in the field of information and a shortage of environmental and historical wealth. Opportunity. Tourism even has environmental circumstances which inspire inspiration for tourism, like changes in culture, workflow improvement, new system plus creativity, development in the tourism industry, and enhanced facilities. Threats. Specific circumstances that could affect the efficiency of the organization, such as affected economy by coronavirus or other kind of viruses, major threats, and many more. Recommendation. The company find it impossible to recruit and maintain the fine workers in the long term. In order to adapt to changing tourism trends, the industry continuously needs new skills. Lack of labor or expertise will hinder tourism growth, since poor quality will reduce efficiency and harm the competitiveness of the industry. Acknowledgements. We would like to thank our friends and families for the help and support they provided us with. We would like to thank our course coordinator, Ms. Lispedi Matutolu, for her feedbacks, and Ms. Miratia Maramu for her help with a simple presentation. Conclusion. Finally, if 5 A's of the destination combination are successfully added to the destination, a tourist destination can be noticeable. It will be a destination for the good promotion of its goods and the tourism industry. It produces income for the government, economy, key benefit for the popular destination. This is the reference. Thank you.